Hey guys, we're back with another recipe, and this time it's super easy and super refreshing peanut salad. I hope you guys like it. Let's jump into the recipe. In a large mixing bowl, we are going to add about 1 cup of chopped lettuce, 1 cup of romaine lettuce. These are two different varieties of lettuce. Into this, we are going to add 2 medium diced tomatoes, and for some crunch, we are going to add about half a cup of diced cucumber and half a cup of mixed bell peppers. And now we're going to mix everything until it's well combined before we add our next ingredient. Once everything is mixed, we are going to add about 1 cup of cooked peanuts and a juice of small lemon, salt as required, and quickly stir everything until it's well combined. Once everything is well combined, we are gonna add some feta cheese. Now this provides an extra creamy flavor in the salad, and we are gonna top it off with balsamic glaze for a nice fruity punch in the salad. So there you go guys, this was really simple and easy leafy peanut salad with feta cheese. Hope you guys try this.